Hello and welcome to the cottage of chaos and mayhem. The kids are the chaos and the rest is just mayhem. And in today's tutorial, I'm revisiting something that I've previously recorded a tutorial on, and that is how to work into the third loop of a half double crochet. Simply because I feel that the original tutorial wasn't that clear. So for this, I'm just going to use some Aran yarn. Now this is 100% cotton Aran yarn and it's eco-friendly, which you gotta love, and I'm using a 4.5mm hook to make it just that little bit clearer and easier to see. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to start by just creating a foundation row. To do that, I'm just going to chain, let's go with 14. That'll give us 13 half double crochet for this tutorial. Now I'm going to work back on myself and do 13 half double crochet just to create a foundation. So this is my foundation row of half double crochet. Now I'm going to chain one. This is my turning chain, and I'm just going to turn my work. Now, what I want to show you is you've got, with a half double crochet, you have these two loops at the top, which would be your front and back loop. But with a half double crochet, you also have this third loop here. So to work into the third loop, you would, if you're doing a half double crochet to work into it, you'd yarn over, insert your hook into the third loop. So got your two loops visible here, got your third loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through, pull loops. And what that does is you've got both loops visible on the other side. So we'll do that again. We're going to work into the third loop here. Both our loops are on the other side of the hook. Like so. Okay. Now it is easier to practice this on lighter coloured yarn, because you will see your third loop a lot easier, especially if you're just starting out. Don't make the mistake I did of first learning this and trying to do it with that Chanel yarn, because that is very difficult to find your third loop. That's just from experience. So inserting into my third loop, you can see the two loops are on the other side of the hook. Like so. Again. To the other side. Now that we've done a couple, we can start to see where that third loop is. So you see at the front, there's two loops, but if you look here, you can see your front loop here, and there's your third loop all the way along. I was doing half double crochets, wasn't I? Nearly went to do a single crochet then. Now the other thing is you don't necessarily have to do a half double crochet to work into the third loop. I've seen it in patterns before where they've done double crochet and then they've done a half double crochet, and the double crochet is working into the third loop of the previous half double crochet, and so on. So there's loads of different ways to do it, but that is how it looks when you're done. You have this lovely solid, I guess, braid. It looks like a braid across your arm. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, press that like button and subscribe, because I post tutorials every Wednesday, and I also do my band build videos, which is just exploring creativity and what you can make. I have some tutorials coming soon on that are designed to be absolutely beginner friendly, for absolute beginners, on how to make this cute granny hexagon, which I call the sunburst lace. I absolutely love how it turned out. It took ages to design it, and you'll actually get to see this beautiful pattern in action, as well as I make whole new things out of it for my van. And I will be posting the tutorials on how to do that as well, and there's tutorials on how to do various things to customize your vehicles, so please do go check that out, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.